Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Check the physical brightness keys on your Dell laptop keyboard. Look for sun icons on F1 through F12 keys and press Fn with them. If the keys do nothing, test brightness in Windows 10 Action Center or Settings. Open Action Center with Windows and use the brightness slider to confirm the screen responds. Check the power slider shows a value between 0% and 100%. Plug in the AC adapter and confirm battery is not limiting the display. Update graphics drivers in Device Manager or download drivers from Dell support. Uninstall the display adapter, then reinstall the latest Intel or AMD driver package. Use Dell Command Update to check BIOS and firmware revisions and install updates. After driver updates, reboot the laptop and test brightness keys again for proper response. Disable adaptive brightness in Control Panel power options if the display keeps changing. Retest with AC. Boot into the BIOS menu and check display or video-related settings if available. If brightness remains stuck, uninstall the Microsoft Basic Display Adapter and reinstall the OEM graphics driver. Consider rolling back to a previous driver if the issue started after an update. If the problem persists after BIOS and driver updates, create a restore point and consider a Windows system restore. Backup important files before major changes or reinstalling Windows. Contact Dell support for hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.